Are you suffering from acne and are looking for an intense cleansing and moisturizing treatment? Well, in today's video, we're going to make a face mask for acne-prone and oily skin. This recipe is full of antibacterial cleaning and soothing properties, leaving your skin smooth, fresh, and glowing. All right, let's get to it. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Raw honey is antibacterial and helps to prevent skin irritation such as acne. It's also an antioxidant, helping to slow the signs of aging. Honey is a wonderful moisturizer and cleanser. It not only softens the skin, but opens the pores, making them easier to clean. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera jelly. Aloe vera jelly is moisturizing and can soothe irritated, dry, and flaky skin. It supports against acne and can fade blemishes. It can also reduce dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. 1/8 of a teaspoon of witch hazel. Witch hazel absorbs excess oil and can tighten pores. It's moisturizing and can help reduce inflammation. Essential oils I like to use are 2 drops of grapefruit, 1 drop of tea tree, and 1 drop of frankincense essential oils. Grapefruit is an excellent cleanser. It clears the pores by removing material from the hair follicles that might be causing the blockage. It also helps to reduce sebum production by regulating the sebaceous gland and preventing bacteria buildup that might lead to infections. It also decreases oils, shrinks down pores, and helps tighten the skin. Tea tree oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and can reduce inflammation. Frankincense is antibacterial and can boost the immune system. It can also reduce inflammation in the skin and support skin regeneration. Place 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera jelly, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of witch hazel in a small bowl. Add your essential oils. Mix mask vigorously. Apply mask to your face and let sit for 20 minutes, then rinse. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. This recipe makes 1 application. Due to grapefruit's photosensitive properties, avoid the sun for 12 hours after use. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content of the Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.